Hey everyone, in this short YouTube tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Hailuo AI account. So first of all, let's open up a browser and in the search box, type the name of this website, Hailuo. Okay, here it is. Right here you can see the URL of this website. And of course, to create account, you need to click on the sign in button at the top right. Okay, there is only one way how you can create your account, is continue with Google. So let's click on it, and in this window select the necessary account. For example, let's select the first one. Okay, and here it is. Now I can just close this window and start using this website. This is my profile. Now I can manage my account, I can log out, and so on. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.